Can I use an Apple AirTag on my dog? Everyone is speaking about utilizing Apple's AirTags to seek out your keys, however you recognize what they're actually for? Monitoring your runaway pet. Everyone knows that your little good friend is an excellent doggy. However often, they might get overexcited and run off into the gap, probably by no means to be seen once more. There are many costly methods to trace your pet, however they'll embody month-to-month charges and imply frequent battery charging. Enter AirTags. Are they actually good for protecting tabs on doggos? In actuality, regardless of Apple's recommendation, we consider this may change into one of many key promoting factors of AirTags. Tammy Avalone, managing editor of the 5 Barks Dog blog, advised LifeWire through electronic mail. By opening the Discover My app in your suitable smartphone, you'll see the place your canine or cat is. How can AirTags observe your pet? Objective-made dog trackers like File or Whistle use a mixture of mobile connections and GPS satellites. The GPS tracker pinpoints your greatest good friend's place, and the 4G connection sends that location to you, normally through an app in your telephone. The benefit of this strategy is that you will discover your canine wherever that has cell protection. The drawback is that it's an lively gadget, equal to a tiny cell phone, and subsequently requires frequent charging. The whistle will last from 2 to 10 days, and the Fi can get up to 3 months in very best situations. AirTags final for a year or extra on a coin cell battery. Their drawback is that they don't actively ship their location to the web. Actually, an AirTag cannot hook up with the web, nor does it ever know the place it's. As an alternative, AirTags emit an everyday Bluetooth blip that will get picked up by any passing iOS gadget. This passing gadget then anonymously relays the tag's location to Apple, after which onto you. You possibly can examine its place at any time within the Discover My app. Downsides. The most important drawback is, clearly, that AirTags can solely work within the neighborhood of different Apple units which might be on the Discover My community. Aidan Taylor, founder of Furdu's Dog blog, advised LifeWire through electronic mail. However, there are different locations that place Apple's tags fail to match as much as correct canine trackers. Canine trackers are purpose-built to withstand canine tampering and abuse, whereas a free AirTag would possibly go down the hatch, complete, though presumably, it will carry on working from the pooch's stomach. My dachshund remains to be a chore, like many teen canines, says Taylor. My dachshund remains to be a chore, like many teen canines. Canine additionally wish to swim, however until they'll handle to dive more than 3 feet under and stay there for a half hour, AirTags are greater than as much as the duty. Non-Canine Animals. It's not simply canines that may profit from AirTags. Metropolis-dwelling cat lovers may also like to trace their furry mates. Though when you have a small cat, even an AirTag could also be too huge for his or her collars. Then once more, it might be any extra annoying than the bells that adorn some cat collars and ring-a-ding always, all day lengthy, each time the poor animal strikes. Cats are likely to run off into the wilderness. Within the metropolis, its extra seemingly a roaming cat will get trapped inside an deserted constructing or sneak by a gap within the roof of a storage and never be capable to bounce again out. In these circumstances, an AirTag can be perfect. Ought you observe pets with AirTags? The pet accessory market already thinks that it would be best to connect an AirTag to your canine. Producers of canine collars are actually providing replacements that can be utilized with AirTags. Basic leather-based collars, V-buckle collars, and extra can be found, says Avalone. Virtually talking, although, all of it relies upon. AirTags are ineffective if you happen to take your canine on lengthy walks within the wilderness. However, in cities and municipal parks, the place there are sufficient iOS customers round to choose up the sign, AirTags are very best. It's straightforward to make a knowledgeable determination, although, in cities, AirTags will work nice. For those who are usually away from civilization along with your canine, you most likely want the GPS/mobile choice. However, in case you are regularly fully off the grid, exterior mobile protection, then maybe you would possibly return to AirTags. In spite of everything, in case your greatest good friend does make it again to civilization weeks or months later, then the battery within the AirTag will nonetheless be operating. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.